Hello,
Yeah, just wait. Good evening, sir.
very good evening. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I am also fine.
So it is the first meeting, so could you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Vishal Duhan. Basically, I am from Sonipat, Haryana, but I live in Panchkula city in Haryana. I am 28 years old and I studied graduation. Right now, I work in railways as a technician. I have 8 years experience here. And last year, I started spoken English. And nowadays, I am learning this language.
That's nice. Okay. My name is Seema. I am from Maharashtra. I have done my Bachelor of Science and Diploma in Pharmacy, and I am a homemaker. That's all about me.
What is your educational qualification?
I have done Bachelor of Science and Diploma in Pharmacy.
Okay.
Are you in government sector
Yes, it's government sector.
in Haryana?
Yes, I am in Haryana.
That's nice. Okay. So, what is your journey of speaking English?
Okay. Last year, I started my journey with the Joe Skill application. I purchased the Joe's subscription last year, and from last year till now, I do practice there. And in February month, I started my YouTube journey. I created my own channel, and I started contacting to people. Right now in Skype, there are many groups. Nowadays, it's become easy. But in starting, I sent mail to the another person. So that time is difficult, but right now it's easy. And apart from YouTube and the Josh application, sometime I watch English content on YouTube. Sometime in news, sometime in other content.
Okay, so in initially you started your journey by conversation or by making sentences.
I started my speaking journey last year. And otherwise, our whole life we studied grammar as a subject in school life, college life.
That's nice. So how do you feel now?
I feel very happy. And right now it's a dream come true. And because in since my childhood, I had a urge that in one day I will speak English. But taking first step is very difficult in every field. So beginning is very hard. So I started my journey, and in starting I faced some difficulty. But after that I found that all ways are clear. In starting I faced some difficulty, but
Yes,
nowadays I don't find any difficulty. And could you tell me about your English speaking journey?
yes, I have also completed 1 year my journey. So in initial time, I also facing lots of issue because I was started my journey by zero level, I can say, because in the initial time I was not making in single sentences, and my grammar was also not strong. So firstly I focusing my grammar because it's helped to making sentences. Then I started my journey by myself. I speak myself because I was no any partner to speak. Then I making sentences. If I do any work, so I make sentences in English. And then day by day I learn, and I open my YouTube channel. And that YouTube channel I make solo video. Then I upload it, and I find some partner who also learn English, who also speak in English. Then I started my journey by speaking, and I also use some applications for speaking. Yeah. And then I feel confidence. I improve my English by conversation video. Then I
Right,
upload
it's
it.
helpful. Yes, it's a simple way. And, okay, why are you here? Why are you learning this language?
Actually, I like this language. My in when I was in first to seventh, I think first to 12th class, I was feel English is very toughest language. When I do study, so I had lots of fear about that language, and I feel like I will be fail in that language. But in I am fortunately pass out in that language, and then I completed my graduations and pharmacy. After that, I feel like I can start to speak English. Then I start to speak. So now I don't feel like it's a tough language. If we work hard in a particular thing, we tough in our mind, so um, uh, we can we can say we can pass out in that thing. So it's happened with me, and then I start. Yeah.
Absolutely right. I agree with your point. And it totally depends on your mindset. If you find that, if you think this thing is difficult, so might be you will find that thing be difficult. It's
Yes, yes.
totally the game of your mind.
Yeah, and we feel like just like we have no partner, how can we learn? So when we decided to do, so God give partner. When we
Right.
decided connect, because you want to speak English and I want to speak, that's why we connect to each other and we talk. Otherwise, if we don't want to speak, so we can't.
Right, right.
Do you have question?
Okay, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, listening song, and playing badminton. That's all. I have lots of hobbies, but that's hobbies I like more.
Okay.
What's your hobbies?
Same like you. I also love to listening to music and sometime watching movies. And nowadays my focus on learning new skills, learning new things.
Okay. So what do you do in a whole day for learning English?
Every day I do practice at least 30-40 minutes. I give to my speaking portion.
You are doing practicing only by conversation or other than?
Okay. Sometimes I do practice here, it's through video calling. But whenever I am outside, I am moving from here to there. That time I use Josh application. Like whenever I am preparing my dinner or lunch, that time I do multitasking. I prepare my food and simultaneously I do audio call. Through voice calls, I practice on Josh application.
That's nice. Okay. So how many are you doing a job in that sector?
What are you asking?
I asked how many are you doing job?
Okay, it's more than 9 hour job. Morning 7 to evening 4:30.
7 hours.
No, it's more than 9 hour. 9 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah, yeah, you have time for learning this also.
Yes, everyone have time if they want to find time.
Yeah, right. Okay. So if God give you opportunity, if you have lots of money, God give lots of money. So what will you do? What is thing you use that money? What will you do?
Okay, okay. I I take I keep some money for my family, and the rest of money, like is 70 to 80% money, I will open a school, a medical, and NGO. So I will do this thing. At
Okay,
least one school and one hospital and one NGO.
Geo. But do you not think about some poor people are who have no home and they are wandering here and there?